Uh, I'm studying Bachelor of Arts, major of film and screen, and I choose this course because I like um, writing the story and filming the movie. Yeah, I love in the high school, so I did lots of drama course. Yeah, I like university more than high school because I can study what I like more. And in high school, I have to study science, maths, kind of that, but in university study what I like. Not really. More study before than high school, but more fun. Um, when I watched the movie before, I just watch for fun and I like, but when I do this course, I have to find out something. What is about? What is program? And who is the director? What is the music? What is editor? Yeah.